Hey everybody! So we lost the video because, well, we didn't lose the video, it's uploading, but it got cut in two because on accident, when I tried to dry the phone, I stopped the video. So, we're back to hanging out with Pretty Bird in the shower. Yes, we are. And right here on her wing, you can actually see some of her other flight feathers as they're hanging out. I do need to dry the camera just a little bit here. Sorry about that. But you can actually see right here, if you look closely, you can see this is the feather that's growing out. And right here is the new root. And basically the feather is growing out of the very tip of the root. And this feather, again, is probably going to be about this long by the time it's done growing. Right, Pretty Bird? Yeah. For anybody who's new, Pretty Bird is a hybrid. She is mixed with a Canada Goose. Right, Pretty? Yeah. Nom nom. And we believe that her mother is a brown Chinese goose because those were the geese that I for sure was able to identify that were at the farm/homestead where we purchased her egg. And what we believe happened is that either they had Canada geese in the back that we didn't see, that they had permits for, or maybe a wild goose had come in and made it with one of their domestic geese. Regardless, her mother was a farm goose, and we did not expect her to be a hybrid. This wasn't like a on-purpose thing or anything. She just, we just happened to get lucky with this beautiful goose. Not only does she look pretty on the outside, but she's a pretty goose on the inside too. Right, Pretty Bird? Yeah. She's a pretty bird on the inside and on the outside. Yes, you are. I think it's so cool how you can see that second eyelid closing. You guys see that? When I go closer? And it's closed and open. And open. It's okay. And close. Open. And close. You can really tell by the reflection when she opens and closes that eyelid. Pretty Bird. Hi, baby. Are you okay? When I do this, she pushes her head forward because it's her instinct to nuzzle into something when she's tired and something like slides over the top of her head. Because as goslings, they nuzzle into their mama's feathers and into their wings. And for her, it's been my hand. Or, you know, when she was a baby, my armpit, or, you know, my pillow, or my blanket, or my hair, or whatever she could get a hold of. If she got tired, she nuzzled in close by, wherever she could feel any kind of warmth, and she'd go to sleep. Yes, you did. Don't you deny it. Yes, you did. This is another thing she does. She leans her beak. Right now her head's laying on my hand. So I put my hand right here. Her being tired, she'll likely lean her beak and eventually fall asleep. That would be if we didn't have the light from the camera, right, Pretty Bird? Look at that leopard pattern right here. Beautiful pattern. You're such a beautiful goose, you know that? Name Pretty Bird is very fitting. Yes, it is pretty, right? Pretty bird. Pretty bird. Are you a good girl? Are you a good girl? Yes, I am. I bet that warm water, the in quotes hot shower, it's not actually hot. It's like, it's warm. It's not hot. But I bet this feels really good on those new feathers growing in. I mean, if you look, you can see the inflammation right here, for an example, right there. I mean, can you imagine having those giant things growing out of you? I just assume it's like teeth growing out of your whole body. So it does not surprise me that geese and ducks and any kind of other animals that go through this molting process are getting really moody around this time of the year. Because, I mean, that's just gotta hurt. That's gotta be super, super uncomfortable. And I'm gonna be keeping an eye on that one that's reddish, just in case. Right, pretty bird? Right, pretty? Yeah. Okay, so the reason I make that sound is because Tweety Bird, when she was a baby, that used to be her cuddle sound. So when she would cuddle in, and she would be content and just kind of falling asleep or cuddling, right? She would go, I don't know if that's normal for geese or not, but she would do it all the time, every time she'd cuddle. And she kind of stopped doing it as an adult. I don't know if it's because she can't make that sound anymore, since, you know, of course, the way their voice sounds changes with age. But I still make that sound, and she recognizes it as something that is the cuddling sound, like Mama's cuddling with me. Anyways, we've made 2 videos now. I'm gonna let Pretty Bird hang out in peace, maybe even take a nap in the shower for like 10 more minutes before it's time to get out. Okay, Pretty Bird? It's okay, Mama will be here. I'm not going anywhere. I always hang out with her when she's in the shower. Yes, I do. Look at that cute face. So pretty. Hey guys, I got a goose in my shower and I know you're jealous. Eep, eep, eep. I'm just kidding. But yeah, we have fun with her. She's a good girl. She's definitely enriched my life. Right, Pretty Bird? Cuckoo. Cuckoo. So pretty. Oh. Such a gorgeous girl, huh? Yeah. Alright, y'all. If you enjoyed the last 2 videos of Pretty Bird hanging out and relaxing in the shower, because she's a spoiled, lazy goose, then please give us a like and share it with your friends and family if you think maybe they'll smile seeing a goose that enjoys showers. Leave us some comments with your thoughts, your feelings, suggestions, or any kind of input you might have about anything. And if you're new to the channel, we'd love to have you join our Pretty Bird flock. Right, Pretty Bird? Yeah. Pretty Bird, you tell him. Say, I'm the alpha here. You tell him, Pretty Bird. Say, I'm the alpha. Say, I'm the leader of this flock. And Pretty Bird has a big flock. Yes, you guys. She's a good girl. Alrighty, y'all. We hope you choose to subscribe and stick around for future content. Alrighty, y'all have a good day. We hope everyone is healthy and staying safe. And we'll see you guys soon, okay? So love y'all. Bye-bye. Say bye-bye, Clipper Vlog. Say bye-bye. Say bye-bye, Vlog. Good girl. Yeah. Oh, my loves are pretty. Say bye-bye.